Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on crossplay in Fortnite. So on your controller you want to go ahead and click option button. You're going to click on here and you're going to go to settings. Now once you are on these settings, you want to go ahead to the last option right there on here. Then you want to choose gameplay privacy or just scroll down. And now for PC, I don't see this option, but you will see, let me show you. You will see this option, allow cross-platform play, and you're gonna select yes. And then just don't forget to apply the changes. Now after that, if you are using Xbox Live, you may get this message that the cross-platform play is currently disabled. So you just need to enable it by going to the privacy, then customize communication and multiplayer, and enable with people outside of Xbox Live. And that's how you do this on Xbox. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.